Time for some extended testing with the TV game box. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to extended testing, and in today's video we're going to extend test some TV game box. We're going to test out some arcade. How is this thing running? Are the games all compatible, or do we have just big issues with the games? Let's find out. Stay tuned and let's go. Alright, the first game, 1944, the Loop Master. The game runs really smooth. Get to the power! The power up! Ooh, got hit. So, let's try Bomberman from the arcade. Let's see what kind of game it is. Alright. Area 1. Need to search my button. Which button can I... Ah, here I can drop a bomb. Yep, save distance. Oh yeah. Going to lock them up, going to lock them up. No, no, no. Getting closer, getting closer. Almost stuck. Oh, I can choose level. Okay, cool. Oh yeah. Let's play a little bit of Darius. Is this normal? No, this is not normal. Oh, there's no rapid fire in this game. The sound, I don't know if you can hear it, but it sounds really horrible. So to be honest, this thing is pretty unplayable. It runs smooth, but that's basically the only thing I can say positive about this. Oh man. Okay. Alright, let's play Dragon Ball Z, but I have noticed that the sound is also with this one a little bit poor. Oh man. Oh. Ah. The frame rate is again pretty decent. It's more like E-SWAT, it's more like a Rolling Thunder game. I really like it. I know you can hear it on the camera, but this one sounds pretty good. Everybody is shooting out the freaking police. So for the final conclusion regarding the arcade part of the TV game box. This is what you're going to get. It's a big list of games that's supported by the system, but not everything is configured like it should be. Some games are not working or some games have crappy sound. So, is it 100% compatible? I don't know. So that is something you need to figure out for yourself. This is what you're going to get. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and see you in my next video. And if you're into gaming, check out the gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.